Hey people, welcome back to my channel. My name is V Kites, all the way from Uganda, the motherland, the pearl of Africa. Let me hope you're doing fine, you're doing great. Praise the Lord. So today I'm gonna present my country Uganda by cooking Saudi Original Traditional Chicken Mandi. I hope is that the pronunciation, but I'm gonna do this, like I'm gonna cook this chicken mandi for the first time. So it's African girl cooking Saudi food for the first time. You guys let me know in the comment section, those who know the recipe and those who don't know the recipe. Let's see how it goes. It's actually Ramadan and I want to do that to surprise my boss in Ramadan, like supplying them, oh my god, surprising them for their traditional dish, that is chicken mandi. Let's see how it goes. Let me show you something. This show you that we are in Ramadan right now. Explain that those who know Arabic, please type that word in the comment section. Only those who knows Arabic. Yeah, we have candles right there down, everything. Those are candles, but electric candles. Looks very nice in the evening. So our first step is to get a chicken over there. We have 3. I use 1 chicken and a half. Putting some water. Okay, so we're gonna boil this for over 30 minutes. And the next thing is we have our cinnamon leaves and cinnamon stem, plus the hell, they call it hell in Arabic. And then we're gonna need salt to boil for 30 minutes. Let's increase the fire. Fingers are closed. Let's do it. It's Ramadan. And once it boils, put onions and garlic. Let me show you. Okay. The chicken is done. Remember to remove these dirty things. It's not good actually. I forgot to remove it when it's boiling, but yeah, we can remove it right here. Okay, so let's remove the chicken so that we can put it in the oven. So I have oil. This is olive oil around my pan. I'm gonna put it in the oven. Let's do it like this. Flip it that way. Okay. Wow, it really looks yummy and it looks nice. It boiled for over 30 minutes. Okay, let's keep the soup and let's season our chicken. Right here I'm having I put saffron, it's a yellow, and also I put chicken magic plus the spices, it's a chili. So let's make this. Okay, I'm gonna move this a little bit. Have a big space over here. Okay, sorry guys, but let's mix our chicken so that it has that great color. It's gonna look amazing. So it has salt a little bit and it has saffron, don't forget. Okay, so it's done already. We're gonna use olive oil to fry the rice. That is enough. So as I say, this is a traditional Saudi chicken mandi. We're gonna use the white spices. We're gonna fry it until it gets golden brown. Let's wait. It's already golden brown. You guys, why you don't tell me to add the salt? I thought we are cooking together because I'm a learner. Yes, but maybe that is too much. I wish it's not too much. Oh my god, this is too much. Wallah. Jesus Christ. Okay, let's see. After that, we're gonna add our rice. Our chicken soup, don't forget it. God help us, we don't have too much salt, because in the chicken there is salt. I forgot that. You guys, let me know in the comment section. Did you see how it looks like? Very delicious. It looks yummy. First time doing this. Oh my god, can't wait. So we have saffron. It's gonna grow on the top. Actually, the salt is very nice. I really like it. It's not bad. Nothing to worry about. Okay. Nothing to worry about. What is coming out? Let me know. Let me know. What? Look at that. Looks so yummy, guys. Look at that chicken. Oh my god. Let me show you. Ooh, so creamy. I hope guys you like it. You like it? Okay. It's the rice. Wow. 10 out of 10. I'm like, did it. You guys, so this is black lemon. Can keep hiding it there. Let's put that saffron to give that color of saffron. What? Like it. So I don't have the red color, But how do you guys think? How do you guys think about this? Because this is a chill powder. I don't have red what? Red color. Can we snap a little bit like this? Can we do this? Like kinda red. Okay, so I'll show you the final result. It's not this one. Let's keep on covering. Wow, I can't wait to show you the final result, the final taste when I already prepared into the serving dish. What you gonna say? Finally guys, I did it. I'm really proud of myself. Oh my god, it comes so well, like the one we always ordered in the Bakara or in the restaurant. Oh my god guys, let me tell you, it's 10 out of 10 minus nothing. So this plate is for me, and another one is for Swaga, and for the dish is for the whole family. Oh my god, happy Ramadan. Let me know how you think in the comment section, and kinda you guys subscribe, like the video, and share, hit that notification bell so that you don't miss my videos. Let's put the chicken and see the final result, how it looks like.